Here's K2EFG, starting to build my YP3 antenna in this beautiful park in Fort Lee. It's a park north of the high school. The high school is behind us. I've used this spot before with magnetic antennas, and here I am constructing a YP3 antenna for 20 meters. The time is noon. I hope to be able to do this until about 1 and then wait for the band to open and off to the races. To make best use of the time, I'm using this GoalZero 13 volt charger. I think the output is about 7.5 watts to start charging some of the batteries. These are Buddipole A123 batteries, very high quality batteries with a Buddipole essentially diode. It's called a solar battery charge controller from Buddipole, but it's effectively a diode. And I'm going to use the time that I'm constructing the antenna, to charge the battery. I like the battery to be as cool as possible, so I like to put it in the shade. So we'll do that for a little while. Well, here you have it. It's ready. The YP3 antenna is set up. Beautiful park, beautiful day. It's about 1:45, just on time. I'm gonna have lunch and then start operation. I'm ready for you, babe. Let's get lunch.